Hi everybody, so today we are opening up the new series of Star Wars Holocron.
Yep, Mommy's gonna open one and the boy's gonna open one. Which one?
Yay,
Who
Mommy!
does what? Who does what? Today is Valentine's Day, so we have our Valentine's Day background, and it actually kind of turned into Pokemon McDonald's backgrounds because we've been doing lots of Pokemon videos.
Eating lots of McDonald's.
And eating lots of McDonald's.
29 Happy Meals in the last 5 days.
Yes, my stomach agrees with that.
And it is a McDonald's revenge
Yes.
instead of Montezuma's in this
No
house.
more McDonald's, please, and thank you. Okay, so how many packs come in here?
1,
10
2,
packs plus a patch card is what the box says.
That's cool.
Yes,
That's the patch card.
this is the patch card.
We don't open those till the end.
Okay. So what are we hoping for? We can get...
Autographs.
Autographs,
Limited
of
numbered cards.
Oh yeah, numbered cards are good.
Cool inserts.
Yeah.
I got a cartoon.
Let's check it out.
I got Captain Rex.
Oh yeah. Sexy Rixie.
So it's in a combo? Does this have all of them in there?
I think it has all sorts of cards
Oh yeah,
in
because it has Rey on the front, Luke, Mandalorian, and is that Kylo?
Uh-huh.
I'm so proud of Mommy. She
Did
knew.
you see the General Grievous?
Sure did. Here's your insert. Bless you.
That's a blue,
This-
and I also got a green.
Camino.
I got a blue and a green.
All right, and Darth Maul green.
I didn't get any cartoon ones in this one.
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's not, it doesn't seem like it's a cartoon. Sorry.
Oh, no cartoon.
That's what I said. I didn't get a cartoon in that one.
Oh, I think, okay, there's your Planet, but look, this one's a refractor.
Oh,
Which one?
This one's a refractor.
Oh, wait, oh, on the bottom. I see what you're saying.
That's pretty cool.
Uh-huh.
ooh, we already got Jakku. Savage!
I know, but it feels like zero.
Leia.
What it says on the...
General Grievous.
I know, I got one of them. Can I see Savage?
I'm sure you can see Savage.
Is he in any of the movies? Oh, no,
No, he's
that's
a
the
cartoon.
cartoon. That's
Right.
a cartoon. Holy moly, that's cool. And what is
That is his lightsaber.
That's cool.
That's pretty rad. Another Rex.
This pack is
Let's
awesome.
see what you got.
I got Zeb.
Yay, Zeb!
Chewie.
Nice. I think we already have 2 Chewies.
Chewie.
Another Chewie.
A Hollow Inquisitor.
Nice.
Grand Inquisitor.
Nice, nice.
And then this one. Oh yeah, and I forgot C-3PO.
All right. A 3PO.
I have spoken.
Ooh, you got Quill.
Mm-hmm. And...
Holy moly.
Holy cannoli. Yes, they are good.
Oh, I got some awesome cards in this pack.
Let's see what you got.
Kanan.
Nice.
Satine.
Before he went blind. That's interesting.
Satine.
Oh yeah,
Remember?
green Satine.
And then Coyote Mundi with his lightsaber.
Oh yay!
Okay, I got the first number.
Let's see it.
Oh.
All right, numbered to 99. Planet Parallel.
Mustafar.
Mustafa.
I've had a bunch of planets.
All right.
It was interesting that
I
kind
got 2 different R2-D2s and an Obi-Wan Kenobi. Young.
And the young one. Okay.
It was interesting. The numbered one was backwards, so you saw that sitting. That you saw.
Oh,
that
that's
first.
interesting.
Okay, I want to give Daddy these cards. They're awesome. I saw Hera.
Yeah. There she is.
Yoda.
I'll put them over here so that you can be the one handing them to Daddy. I can go to you first. Like that is a Chewie.
I wanted to try and get some good cards.
Well,
I haven't gotten any yet.
haven't you gotten a bunch of like hollows and stuff?
Not as many as you.
Well, but
Well,
they're
that's
all
'cause
yours anyway.
You've only opened 2 packs.
Yes, and Mommy's opened all of hers. Minus the Holocron.
Oh, a green Ahsoka. Nice.
I'm just opening them so they're easier for you to get out.
Wait, green Ahsoka?
Green Ahsoka.
Do you not want me to do that either? I'm not looking. Okay. I haven't looked. Oh, what's it say? You have received a commemorative.
Let's go, Grievous. Let's see it.
No, it's so mine.
No, let's see it.
It's so mine. Look, read the back. Oh, it's so perfect that Mommy got this one.
Congratulations, you've received a commemorative creature patch of an Ewok.
Oh, Mommy collected Ewoks, stuffed
Mommy
animals when she
loves
was little.
Ewoks.
It's so
And I
perfect.
got the
That is
indoor.
pretty cool.
And I got indoor.
Nice.
That's so cool. It's so perfect. For the Mommy.
I knew it was an Ewok.
As soon as you saw my reaction.
Yes. I was like, oh, it's gotta be an Ewok.
Look at this.
Okay, I've stopped opening them. Now you have to go through cracking them open for everything.
Look at this Darth Vader.
Oh, that's good Vader. That Ewok is fun. There's lots of duplicates in 2 boxes.
Just helping you. And now I can't even open them, so there you go. I'm done helping. I will be helpful no more. Happy Valentine's Day, Poppy.
I can't open these. Oh, there we go.
They were hard to open, weren't they?
Ooh. This one's green. I think this must be a parallel.
We've had green ones and blue ones.
Maybe it's not.
There you go. We have our own little Ewok behind us.
Yes, we do.
Final pack.
What show was she on?
She was. I watched that movie last night. She was on The Last Jedi.
Was she on the one where the guy's telling a story and Doogie Howser's on it?
How I Met Your Mother?
That's it.
I don't think so. That person's in the Avenger movies.
Oh, okay.
And Shield, Vice. Can you tell me her name again?
I don't know her name in this.
Yes.
Is Vice Admiral Haldo, Holleo. She looks familiar.
She does to me too. Laura Dern. She has been in a bunch of stuff.
Is this it? Nope. We got more?
Here's the patch.
Okay, here's the patch.
Or my patch. Mommy's is the Ewok. I got an Ewok too.
No way!
It's the same one.
It's the same Ewok. Oh wait, it's got a different
Stormtrooper versus Chewbacca.
That's interesting. All right. Well, I didn't see that coming.
That was weird.
That was weird. It
Well, maybe this is like the first run.
Maybe, I don't know. All right. Well, thank you everybody for watching.
Happy
And
Valentine's
Happy
Day.
Valentine's Day. Bye.
Bye.